Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download songs on iPhone. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your browser application. It can be Safari or maybe Google Chrome. For example, I will open Safari browser. Then in the search bar you need to type NCS songs, then go button. After that you need to open any site you want. For example, I will open this third site. Then you will see this interface. You can click on the accept all cookies. Then in this site you need to find any music you want to download. You can click on the search genres and then choose one of them, for example this one. After that you need to scroll to the left. Then you will see download button. You need to click on that one button. Then click download again. After that you will see this little window. You need to click on the download. So at the bottom left corner you will see that this song downloaded. So if you want to find this song you need to click on that one download button. Here it is, and downloads. After that you will see your song. Click on the search icon, and after that you will see this song in your files application. You can press and hold on them and then delete this song, duplicate or rename it. So, and that's all, and that's how to download songs on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.